guys, we're over here fishing at the creek spot. Get some more Modelo time. Picked up some trash right here from other locals that left it. We're gonna see if we can cast anything. Got dark, so I'm pretty much just carp fishing some corn. It's gonna be the first cast right here of the night. It's gonna be pretty dark. See how it goes. Wish me luck. Turn back the camera on in a second. All right, got the casting locked and loaded. Let's see what we can do. Wish me luck. All right, finally we got one at the little creek spot. It's a carp over here, carp fishing, so you know it's a carp. Damn, this one's a fighter right here. Glad we got one. Let's see what we can do. Whoa, it's a big one. Let it go. Fight. Let's fight off a little bit. Got a big one over here at this creek. Swimming across now. Gonna reel it in. I need to go get my net. I see it in the middle of the lake. I'm gonna let up the tension so I can let her go out. Okay, I'm gonna go get my net real quick, you guys. Set this up right here. Going up this thing. One second, you guys. Got my net. He's just chilling. Alright. Oh, slippery over here. Okay. Tying it up. Big fighter, a carp. Whoa. Okay. Bringing him in nice and easy. Okay. One second. Grab fits in the net. I don't want to hurt him. Okay, you guys, we got him out. I'll get out the weigher so we can weigh him. This is by far the biggest carp I got at my little creek right here. Cool. Got my little hand scale to weigh him. This guy. Looky here. Cool. Big old sucker. Here. Gonna release him so I don't want to have him out of the water too long. But get the weight right here. Almost a 4-pounder. See that right there, you guys? Almost 4 pounds. Very good. All right. Don't want to hurt this guy, so let's get him going. Back in the water real quick. All right, cool. Whoa. All right. Got this giant carp right here. Thank you for the fight, man. Still good to go, ready to go back. Had him out of the water for longer than I would have hoped for. But he's still good to go. Biggest carp I caught right here. Look at him. Cool. Alright, rip it up, man. Thank you for the fight. Go ahead and get going. Thank you. Alright, cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that little creep carp fighting. Try to get some bass next time, maybe. But having fun with these carp for now. Alright, rip it up. Another nibble over here. Just check it out. I think I'll recast. We're walking back from this creek spot right here. This is all the trash that we collected from down there. I'll show some pictures of this thing in there. I thought it was like a fish net, but I guess it's just like a seed or something. I don't know, looks kind of unique, but I'm carrying it back because I know there's dumpsters back on this walkway. Yeah, other than that, we're just walking back from the little creek spot. Some like little overflow going on over here. Other than that, just gonna walk all the way back with this trash and then throw it away. So it's not in that creek no more with those fish. Alright, got a long walk back. So, thanks guys for watching. I wanted to show, clean up your trash. Don't leave trash over at your spots. Burn it out, make it dirty. Better keep it nice and clean. Yep. Alright, you guys. Pick out the stuff that's mine from here. This is all the trash we got. I didn't even notice this. There's all kind of pipe or something. But throw this shit away. Get it out of our creeks and local ponds. Threw it in the dumpster right there. Whew. Long little walk to get here. Well worth it to help clean up the environment. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Post random shit here and there. Thank you so much. Peace out. Have a good one. Woo.